Welcome to ePRINTIt Cloud Solutions. Today we're going to show you how to use the ePRINTIt mobile application. As you can see here, to download it, I'm going to go to my App Store, I'm going to go to Search, and I'm going to type in ePRINTIt. And search, and there it is, and I would simply click Open, download it to my account, and then here it is. So you've got three applications. Some you may already have on your phone, such as the ePRINTIt mobile app if you have a wireless home printer at home. There's a Services tab for those using Android that will also link you to the exact same back end that the ePRINTIt PPL, as we call it, or public print locations, or partner print locations such as FedEx or UPS or your private organization. We also have HP ePrint Enterprise app, which also has a PPL component to it, which allows you also to search for any of our locations. As well, you can download the print driver called HP ePrint Jet Advantage. So for this demo, we're going to show you how to use the ePRINTIt mobile application. So you have all your history here, as you just saw, but it opens up to this primary main page here. You have access to all of your email clients. You can load them all up. You can have as many as you want. You can access your pictures on your drive. You can access a clipboard. Now in Android it's a little bit different. In Android you actually have a file storage, so you're able to go to your documents. In this case I'm using my Dropbox folder. You can click under Options, make sure you enable public printing, access the linked accounts that you want to link in, and if you want to receive print confirmation by email. So in this case, I'm going to use Dropbox. And I can click and link as many jobs as I want. Doesn't matter. The file extensions can be any Microsoft document, whether it be in Mac or PC. It can be any image file, and just simply select them, select Next. All your jobs are being formatted into an 8.5 by 11 or A4 format. The first thing that comes up are the primary main providers. Now, a provider is a partner that might have several hundred or several thousand locations. Accessing this one partner location allows you to print at any one of those partner locations. If I choose Nearby, it's geolocating where I'm sitting and giving me the closest locations where I can print. Choosing Shortcuts allows me to go to the last printer I may have just used. And of course, you can use your geolocation map and find locations around you. So again, I've chosen three jobs here. I'm going to select Next. And in this case, I'm going to select Foothills De Anza, which is a large college in California. As you can see, I'm selecting these three jobs. I'm selecting Print. It submits it, and very quickly it returns back your 8-digit code. This 8-digit code can be used at any one of the campus locations on Foothills De Anza College. Now, if it was Walt Disney World, again, you would be able to use them all there. Now, each partner has a specific number of days that they allow things to remain on the system, or they'll be expired. And you will see that here under Valid Date. So depending on the partner, the valid date may be immediately after printing, or it may be 24 hours, or typically the default right now is 7 to 8 days. If a job has been aborted, it's because of either a file corruption issue. We take your job, we put it into a file locker, and we encrypt it in 256-bit encryption. This process may sometimes corrupt a file, and if it does, it'll send back a notice saying that the file is corrupted. Please try again. It'll also show corrupted if you're trying to send a password-protected document or a document that's got a malware attached to it. Once our system detects that there's a malware in there, it will abort the printing of the image. And that's it. That's how you use the ePRINTIt location. At any time, you can go to your printouts and see your files again. And closing it is simple. You just close it off and open it. Now, using HP ePrint Enterprise works exactly the same, no difference. Now, ePRINTIt is a slightly different, and it only works on Android right now. but it allows you some photo editing. It's primarily a home application. It's not really for the schools or business purposes, but if you have the app, it works fine. Just choose the location, and once you've chosen the location, you can find the school or the closest one near you through geolocation as well. And that concludes this video.